Ndị benyi na-eke n'ụlọ na-eke n'ọsa anọcha ndị nọ na-enem ni na-eke n'ọsa anọcha ndị na-ego ntị n'ife nọ na-ekwu ọsọ oge na-agwa n'osunu mbe na ekunugide ka unu ji kete ndị bịa n'ekunu wesi ejigbo iziokwu ọzọ ejigbo okwu nka agwa nụ dike n'unu ka ego kọmentị ife menini nje ka dị na-asụ a na ife ndị oyibo kpọ n'ishi pidgin English makọni ụfọdụ anyị ndị ka enyi ndị na-anụ asụsụ anyị ndị na-asụ bịa dị n'ụlọ dịdịba amarịkọm asụsụ anyị igwe wee nwee ike ịghọsa ife nọ na-ekwu. So my people, I dey greet una. I dey thank everybody when they take time, they watch my broadcast, when they listen to the things when I dey always tell una. I greet una. Now, I want to tell us today small about the truth. When some people, Papa, not tell them. I want to talk that truth. When some people, when they say, only thing when they their mind, they say they not be Igbo people, and that they speak Bia. Their market days na Nkwo Eke Orie Afo. Yes, they talk say they not be Igbo people. See, not blame many of them when they talk that thing. You know why they talk like that? You know why they know they agree say they be Igbo people? I won't tell you now why. Now the wrong impression when some of our fathers cowardly give to their children. Now that wrong impression I make them. They deny their Igbo-ship. For some villages, for some local places, when be Igbo land, some coward when they there, they already train their children to know and to believe, say, the meaning of Igbo na slave. Today, the truth be say, Igbo for Okwane not mean slave. Slave for Okwane and Indosumili get different name. So generally, for Ndokwa nation, the meaning of slave na Osu or Ojibo. If you do not call the person Ojibo, say Osu. So Igbo doesn't mean slave. Now, why this thing happen like this after the war? But make a reminder to everybody, say the war when they talk, so when the Biafra war so. Where they fight. And I know say Anioma people, they're part of those when start them. Now, during that war, or after the war, because of the persecution and the fear not to be dealt with by the government, then some of our parents began to deny their Igbo-ship. They say, no, they are not Igbo people, they are Okwane people. What are you talking? You are not Igbo people. You are Okwane person. You are not Igbo person. You are Ndosumili person. You are not Igbo person, but you are an Abo person. But you are an Eka person. You are from Anyocha, but you are not Igbo. So the truth they didn't tell you is what I am taking time now to tell you. Another set of people when they talk, I don't go some community. I don't hear them when they talk say their community. Say you come from Bini. They are from Idu. Ha! And I ask question. Who is from Idu? Idu, the first occupant of that Idu where they talk so. Now see Igbo people. Now by what they take claim that place. And now during migration from one place to another, from one place to another, now you see the Igbo speaking people come, they spread. So they spread, reach that side, what they call Idu. After some wars and different things, gidi, some of our fathers still waka, can't go find new place. So when they tell them, say, see where they come from, say they come from Idu, some of them can limit their historical journey to Idu. And others what they thought say they come from Idu. If you ask them which part of Idu they come from, they can never tell you. But me, Chief Rich K, Chief Ifeanyi Chukwu, Enwe Nwosu, Onyabe, I've been able to trace where the founder of my community came from. Even if you don't waka go many places, don't go Urobo side, don't go here, stay there before you come back, come finally settle here. I know, see where you come from. You come from the east. So some of una papa don't know the history, and that is just the truth. Don't be saying everybody when gets white hair, the person get knowledge of where they come from. If in papa not telling the truth, definitely he cannot tell you the truth. I am a custodian of the tradition and customs of my people. So anybody when they deny, say he no be Igbo person. The reason why they deny him now because one in Papa tell them say they no be Igbo, and the Papa agree say they no be Igbo because they fear. Another set of people, now people when we say they don't know their history. Then the last set of people, there are people when come from other places, all these Benin people, where don't come stay for Ndokwa land. If you talk say Ndokwa na Igbo, they no go agree because they know say themselves not be Igbo. They don't learn our language. They try to confuse our people. You see some of all those Isoko people too. Now the same thing. Now then they infiltrate all those Urobo people when they live inside us. All those Isoko people, Urobo people, Bini people, Yoruba people, when they live inside us, when don't come stay like say they don't become Ndokwa people, they don't become Anioma people. Now then be the type when they go about, they judge the matter, they talk and say Anioma, Ndokwa, not be Igbo. But they tell you the truth. Where you go take no say the truth, we say you be Igbo now, say check your name where your papa give you. No matter how you get the English name, your father definitely gave you Igbo name. Check all the names of all the communities, all the villages in Delta North, all of them are Igbo names. Check out their market days, all of them are the same thing. Check out the languages they speak, all of them are the same thing, even though different dialects. And somebody will come claim to you now say you know be Igbo. Make una not fear again. Nigeria government not they look for that to kill. We know they fight again. What do they think now how to build the nation? Make una not fear again. Make una not they deny una people. Make una not they deny una identity. Make I ask you this last question if I come out. A fight there between the Igbos and the Yorubas and the Hausa. Are you sure if the Hausa man see you and you say your name is Chukode or Ifeanyi Chukwu or Emeka, say they go spare you? If a Hausa person see you, he go spare you. If Yoruba man see you during the war, say we fight war now, for example, and your name na Chukwumike, you go fit and say you know people, they can't leave you. Stop denying your people.